Actually, guys, we have a Lakeshore West GO train coming in, pulling into Eglinton GO station, with basically a new cab car leading, and you can see pulling. He's coming around in that bend and pulling 12 cars a train. So we have a new cab car arriving at Eglinton GO station. We have a new cab car, 315. And we have MP40 engine, 633. So I'm gonna actually pause the video once the train leaves. Alright guys, train doors all now closed up. Cab car 315 is departure at Eglinton GO station, and pushing it is MP40 engine 633. There they go, heading down to Union Station, making all station stops to Aldershot along the way on the Lakeshore on the Lakeshore West line. Okay, there they go, all the way down to Union Station, making all station stops to Aldershot on the Lakeshore West line. So I'll see you in the next. I'll see you the next one when the Lakeshore East trains arrive. So I'll see you in the next film, guys.